안녕 우리 친구들. 오늘 다시 만나 반갑습니다. Hello my wonderful 우리 friends. I am so glad to see you again today. And welcome to another Korean lesson with 우리 show. I am your Korean friend, your Korean teacher, and probably your favorite color, 빨간색! 오? 빨간색, 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 빨간색이에요. 오늘 만나서 반갑습니다. It is great to meet you. My name is Red. What is your favorite color? 제일 좋아하는 색깔이 뭐죠? 전화요? Is it me? Is it 빨간색? 야호! Today we will be learning lots of special words that are, you guessed it, 빨간색. Can you say 빨간색 with me? 빨간색. 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 So would you like to practice some fun, delicious, adorable 빨간색 words with me? 야호! 신난다. I'm excited. 신났어요? Are you excited? I can't wait to get started with you. But before we start, I would love it if you would subscribe to our 우리 show YouTube page, like this video, and tell all of your friends about our very special time together. Anybody can learn Korean, and we will have lots of fun doing it together with 우리 show. Can you guess some of the words we will be learning today? What are some things that are red? 빨간색. 뭐가 빨간색이지? 제가 제일 좋아하는 빨간색 말은 뭔지 아세요? Do you know what my favorite red thing is? Can you tell me what your favorite red thing is and see if it's the same red thing? Did you say 사과? Oh, that is my favorite 빨간색 thing. Can we say 사과 together? 사과, 사과, 사과. 잘했어요. And what about red apple? How would you say red apple? 빨간 사과. 맞아요. 빨간 사과. 빨간 사과. 빨간 사과. Do you know how to say face in Korean? 얼굴, 얼굴, 얼굴이에요. Can we try it together? 얼굴, 얼굴, 얼굴. I would describe my 빨간 얼굴 as 예뻐. Pretty. It's pretty. How do you say that in Korean? 예뻐, 예뻐. 우리 같이 해볼까요? 예뻐, 예뻐, 예뻐. What about eyes? Do you know how to say eyes in Korean? 눈. 눈이 몇 개 있어요? 하나, 둘. 눈이 2개 있어요. 우리 같이 해볼까요? 눈, 눈, 눈. How do you say nose? 코, 코. 네, 코예요, 코. 우리 얼굴에 있는 코. 우리 같이 해볼까요? 코, 코. 코. Last but not least, mouth. A mouth to eat delicious 빨간 사과 with? Do you know how to say mouth in Korean? 입. 입. 입이에요. 네, 우리 같이 해볼까요? 입. And one of my favorite words to say, sparkle. Oh, the star sparkle. But you know what else sparkles? 눈, 코, 입. 내 얼굴에 있는 눈, 코, 입도 반짝반짝거려요. Can we say 반짝 together? 반짝. Now let's sing My Apple-like Face. 사과 같은 내 얼굴. 사과 같은 내 얼굴 예쁘기도 하거나 눈도 반짝 코도 반짝 입도 반짝반짝 사과 같은 내 얼굴 예쁘기도 하거나 눈도 반짝 코도 반짝 입도 반짝반짝 Would you like to learn some more Korean words that are 빨간색, like me? Let's start with my favorite little critter. 조그만 벌레. 근데 이 벌레는 무슨 색깔이죠? 빨간색. It's a little critter that is what? 빨간색, red. Can you guess what it is? 맞아요. It's a ladybug. A ladybug은 wears a beautiful red outfit with black polka dots. Do you know how to say ladybug in Korean? 무당벌레. 벌레 is bug and 무당벌레 is ladybug. Our little red friend. 우리 빨간색 친구 무당벌레. 우리 같이 해볼까요? 무당벌레. 무당벌레. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. They're round and they're very light and they like to fly up into the sky. Can you guess what it is? Balloons! That's right. During very special times like our birthday or other celebrations, we often see lots of balloons. And a lot of times they're 빨간색. 네, 빨간 풍선이 너무나 귀여워요. Do you know how to say balloon in Korean? 풍선. 풍선. 같이 해볼까요, 우리? 풍선. 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 Now for a tasty sweet treat. Things that are red can also be very delicious. And this time, it's a very special treat that comes in all different colors, but I think 빨간색 is the most delicious. Can you guess what it is? Candy! Yummy, yummy, yummy. Our very special treats, candy. Do you know how to say candy in Korean? 사탕. 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 우리 같이 해볼까요? 사탕. 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 Now this time we are going to be singing about another 빨간, round, delicious food. This friend goes on pizza. It can be eaten as a juice, and it's also can be eaten as my favorite condiment, ketchup. Can you guess what the vegetable is? It's a tomato! A big red plump tomato. And do you know how to say tomato in Korean? It's quite simple. 토마토. 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 우리 같이 해볼까요? 토마토. 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 토마토는 빨간 옷을 입어요. The tomato wears red clothes. 빨간 옷. 빨간 is red. 옷 is clothes. Can we say 빨간 옷 together? 빨간 옷. 빨간 옷. 빨간 옷. What do you want to become when you grow up? 어른이 되면 뭐가 되고 싶어요? 나는야 토마토가 될 거야. I'm gonna become a tomato. How do you say to become in Korean? 될 거야. 될 거야. 될 거야. 같이 해볼까요, 우리? 될 거야. 될 거야. 마지막으로는 제가 제일 좋아하는 행동이랑 말이에요. And last but not least is probably my favorite phrase and favorite thing to do. You get to move your body to the music. 맞아요. 춤을 출 거야. I'm going to dance. 우리 같이 해볼까요? 춤 is dance. 출 거야 means I'm going to dance. 춤을 출 거야. 같이 해보자 우리. 춤을 출 거야. 춤을 출 거야. 춤을 출 거야. 나는야 춤을 출 거야. Will you become a stylish tomato and dance with me? 멋쟁이 토마토가 돼서 저랑 같이 춤을 추고 싶으세요? 울퉁불퉁 멋진 몸매에 빨간 옷을 입고 달콤달콤 향기 풍기는 멋쟁이 토마토 토마토. 나는야 주스 될 거야. 나는야 케첩 될 거야. 나는야 춤을 출 거야. 멋쟁이 토마토 토마토. 한 번 더. 울퉁불퉁 멋진 몸매에 빨간 옷을 입고 달콤달콤 향기 풍기는 멋쟁이 토마토 토마토. 나는야 주스 될 거야. 나는야 케첩 될 거야. 나는야 춤을 출 거야. 멋쟁이 토마토 토마토. 멋진 토마토! 우리 친구들, 우리 빨간색 너무 많이 배웠어요, 오늘. Good job, 우리 friends. We learned so many different 빨간색 things today. Shall we review what we've learned? 사과 같은 내 얼굴. 뭐를 배웠죠, 우리? 사과! Apple, my favorite food. 네, 사과, 사과, 사과. 다음에는 우리 귀엽고 조그만 무당벌레. Yes, we learned our little flying red friend, our little bug friend, our ladybug. 무당벌레. 그리고 뭘 배웠죠? 생일 축하합니다. On very special birthdays, what do we see? 풍선! 풍선! 날아다니는 풍선을 봐요. Balloons. Can we say 풍선 together? 풍선, 풍선, 풍선. And what about those very special days when we get some sweet treats? They definitely come in 빨간색 사탕, candle. 사탕, 사탕, 사탕. And last but not least, tomato. That's right, we met our stylish tomato friend. 토마토, 멋쟁이 토마토, 토마토, 토마토. 우리 friends, good job. We learned so many different fun 빨간색 things that you can practice at home with your friends and family every day. So, how about you go around today to your house or your school or outside and point out all the things that are 빨간색, and you can practice by saying 빨간색. 잘했어요, 친구들. I will be sure to see you next time. 우리 친구들 다음에 꼭 만나요. 안녕.